Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here to join the OCP European Regional Summit. Today is also our GIGA Computing first time to join this summit. Our topic today will be Spun-off for new generation. It will be a quite interesting topic, why we call Spun-off. And I believe most of people will curious who is GIGA computing technology. So today, I will introduce ourselves and tell everyone what we do and what we have. Okay, actually, GIGA Computing is the one of the subsidiary company of the GIGABYTE group. Maybe around in 2000, our business unit is called Network and Communication Business Unit. We have developed and designed enterprise products for more than 20 years. And in this year, we spin off from our GIGABYTE group because we will have like a more mature finance background, and that the spin-off allow us have like more concentration on the enterprise product, and we will have more feasible business operation with our customers. So what we can do? First, our R&D center is located in Taiwan, and our factory are all over the world, such as China, Taiwan, the United States, and Europe. And we are very close and contact with like leading technology companies such as AMD, Intel, Ampere, and NVIDIA, etc. We can have our product time to market once they announce their new technology. Second, our R&D team, we have like a rigorous development process. We can ensure our product qualities. And furthermore, quote from our CEO, Daniel Ho, he said, always think before customer. That's the reason we have a diverse product portfolio to meet our customer requirement. So this slide shows what we have done in last quarter, because GIGA Computing was established in the beginning of 2023. So with the launch of AMD Genoa server, Intel Sapphire Rapids server, we have built 16 form factor of servers accompanied with 150 models with different numbers of hard drive, various kind of PSU, and even GPU cards. We also build up like servers, enterprise server for Ampere. Can you believe that? We have one server, model name is H262P60. It's a 2U server, support 8 pieces of Ampere Ultra. So there will be 1,024 cores in one server. In this year, we also pay attention to introduce new platform. We have like an entry-level server with AMD Ryzen 7000 series. Our CSP customer caught their attention and interesting, because for our model, it's 1U, but it can support double slot GPU cards. It is clearly distinguished in this market. Furthermore, we also have like a AMD platform, Intel platform, Genoa, Sapphire Rapids, motherboard to spec in our customers' products. One thing interesting that we also develop our liquid cooling solutions. Some of customers, they also want to do the experiment. We have immersive ready server to our customers for rack mount server, GPU server, even storage server. Of course, we have our OCP module-like data center solutions as well. We have different kind of customer all over the world. We cooperate with OEM projects and the OTS projects together. And for GIGABYTE, NVIDIA is our important technology leading company we cooperate with. You know why? And why is the popular phrase from now? I can believe everyone will think ChatGPT, right? For Giga computers like GPU solutions, we have had 80 models have been validated with NVIDIA certificated or NVIDIA qualifications. Because under this kind of validation, we can ensure our customers can enjoy the performance and the optimization performance with our server accountable with NVIDIA GPU cards and network cards. One of the more exciting things I want to say is that we have launched our G593SD0 server. It contains with 8 pieces of NVIDIA HGX module, H100, SS5, accelerate cards. It's the only XSM5 model certificated by NVIDIA in the market from now. With this 5 form factor, we design the efficient air cooling solutions. The system can support multiple of PCIe slots, including supporting NVIDIA InfiniBand and the BlueField 3. One of the services from Giga Computing, we also have our DGSI, designed for GIGABYTE system integration. We can have our rack mount server, have different kind of combination, from 4 pieces of 2.5 inches of hard drive to 12 pieces of 2.5 inches of SSD with different kind of motherboard layout combination. And furthermore, we have our 2U rack mount server with 3.5 inch of HDD to 2.5 inch of SSD, from 12 pieces up to 25 pieces. The main reason why I put on this slide is that we are happy to cooperate with our customers to meet their requirement, and that we can also have OTS cooperation relationship to expedite the product to the market for our end user. Of course, we are put a lot of effort work on with our global data center partners on the OCP Open Rack solutions. We have 1 OU HPC node and 2 OU for 2 node or 2 OU for 3 node, computing node, storage node, and we also have our own 2 OU 3 nodes chassis. Of course, we have the new solutions for our ORV3. And furthermore, we can also provide the server rack to our customers. GIGA Computing can provide one-step service solutions to our customer directly. After long time of developing, design, we have followed one typical issue not be happen in the near future. If you look at the time frame right here in 2023, Intel Sapphire Rabbit, they announced their CPU processor, TDP, goes up to 250 watts. And for Genoa, AMD Genoa can reach to 400 watts. And various of GPU cards like H100, RTX 4090, the TDP can up to 450 watts. Under this kind of different kind of combination in one server, we have worried that the more power comes up, but how can we deal with that? Quote from Spider-Man, more power, more responsibilities. So we have our advanced liquid cooling solutions. We have the liquid cooling solutions, one-phase immersive cooling solutions, and the two-phase immersive solutions. Today, I will focus on the single-phase immersion coolings. We have the heat cooling is the top of the rack. Coolant returns the rack heat exchanger at the user specified temperature. You will be like have the coolant, have the CDU in the middle, take the heat out with the cold inside our tank. Let me show you our one-phase immersive tank for OCP solutions. It's amazing, right? Just quote from Mark Zuckerberg. He ever said, ideas don't come out fully formed. They only become clear as you work on them. You just have to get started. GIGABYTE or GIGA Computing, we have spending years on the one-phase liquid immersive solutions. And here's come our model A103CC0 for OCP 18OU. And it can have the dispatching capacity reach up to 80 kW. And another module I want to introduce is the first time we public is that we also have our immersive HPC node, our TO15 series. It can supply dual 4th gen of Intel Xeon scalable processors, but also single or dual AMD Genoa processors. The specialty of this product is that it is for immersion cooling, and we have the expansion slot which can support 8 pieces of GPU cards and up to 8 pieces of GPU cards. Our contribution to or target to immersion cooling solutions, we want to have like more hardware lifespan and minimize at least 60 in hardware failure rate, upgrade the computing node density, and have the heat dissipation up to 80K watts. Achieve a PUE to 1.02 and save energy for the sustainability for our future. And it also can save the TCO and save the OPEX, and we can have the CPU operating temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius. And the CPU performance can increase up to 15%. Here comes our GIGABYTE modularized data center. We also have like air cooling solutions, 2OU, 3-node, which support the 3rd gen of Intel Xeon scalable processors. Okay, in this module, the storage can support 4 pieces of SATA, SAS, NVMe, and we have 2 PCIe Gen 4 slots and 1 OCP slot. And another model is air cooling for 2OU 2-node, which can support Ampere Ultra or Ampere Ultra Max. Okay, and in this model, it can also support 2 pieces of double slot GPUs. Okay, and in this one, as see right here, it supports 4 pieces of E1.S drive and 1 M.2 slot in the server node. Here is all our OCP solutions because the time. I hope everyone can come to visit us. We have server node, bus bar, OCP 3.5 slot, NIC cards, and the rack. And our prospect for the OCP, ORV3, 48 voltage, we'll have like separate Genoa, and we are going to have like JBock, PCI XM, and OAM support. Please come to our booth number 2 because of time. If you have any question, come to booth number 2. We can have like spending our time together and to talk about it. Thank you very much. Thank you.